Nag-walk out at nagbitiw sa mayorya si Senador Antonio Trillanes IV matapos silang magkasagutan ni Senador Juan Ponce Enrile sa plenaryo.
Tinawag namang fraud o huwad ni Enrile si Trillanes sa isinagawa niyang mga backdoor negotiations sa China sa issue ng West Philippine Sea. Ayon kay Enrile, hindi raw malayong si Trillanes ang nasa likod ng planong alisin siya bilang Senate President. Saksi si Jam Sisante.
Nag-walk out si Senador Antonio Trillanes IV sa sesyon kanina ng Senado. Nangyari ito kasunod ng sagutan nila ni Senator Juan Ponce Enrile nang tangkaing ilahad ng Senate President ang mga detalye ng pakikipagpulong ni Trillanes kay Philippine Ambassador to China, Sonia Brady.
You went to China, you asked the Ambassador of the Philippines there, Madam Brady, for a meeting, and you said, do not take notes during our conversation. And you called the Secretary of Foreign Affairs a traitor. In fact, you told me that he committed treason.
Yes, it was an executive session and we're not supposed to divulge what's happening in
I will read into the record your conversation with Brady.
But it's
and his notes
to
the Department of Foreign Affairs.
It's supposed to be a confidential matter.
Yes, but there's nothing confidential.
Even in the executive meeting, cabinet meeting, in the cabinet meeting in Malacanang, Mr. President, I will refuse to answer it.
I do not want to discuss.
Tinusisa ni Enrile ang papel ni Trillanes sa issue ng West Philippine Sea. Matapos batikusin ng first termer na si Trillanes ang pamumuno ng veteranong mambabatas.
Gusto ko happy ka. Iyan po ang campaign slogan ng ating Senate President. Pero ang nakakalungkot, sa pagpatakbo ng Senado, malayo ito sa katotohanan. Kasi po, ang kalakaran talaga dito ay kung gusto ko, isasagasa ko. Kung ayaw ko, uupuan ko.
Ang tinutukoy ni Trillanes ay ang pagtutulak umano ni Enrile na agarang maipasa ang panukalang hatiin ng Camarines Sur para lumikha ng bagong probinsya ng Nueva Camarines. Naanyay sa pangungumbinsi umano ni dating Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
I have lost trust, faith, and confidence in Senator Enrile's capability to lead the Senate along the path consistent with the reform agenda that I espouse. I therefore manifest that I am leaving the majority and consequently joining the minority effective this day.
Sabi naman ni Enrile, ang mga batiko si Trillanes ay posibleng para pagtakpan ng lumabas ng balita na si Trillanes ang back-channel negotiator sa usapan ng China at Pilipinas tungkol sa West Philippine Sea. Kaya na mag-walkout si Trillanes ay idinetalye pa rin ni Enrile ang pinag-usapan ni Trillanes at Ambassador Brady. Kabilang ang pahayag umano ni Trillanes na walang pakialam ang mga tao kung mapa sa atin ang Panatag Shoal.
Pilipino ba yan? Makabayan ba yan? My God, what kind of a senator is this? Trillanes told the Chinese that we cannot enforce our coastal protection.
Tila may pahiwatig din daw ng paggampi si Trillanes sa China batay sa notes ni Brady.
Pinoy did not know of the arrangements being made by the senator. Imagine talking to an enemy of a potential enemy of this country 16 times. What did he discuss with these people? Who initiated the discussion? Did he? Or did they? Did they pay for his trip to Beijing? Huh? He should answer. That's why he could not be here, because I'm going to ask him. My God, this guy is a fraud. Trillanes wanted everything that was happening in Scarborough to be made secret so that it will protect the interest of the Chinese.
Inihayag pa ni Enrile na batay pa rin sa surat ni Brady, binatikos umano ng Trillanes si Foreign Affairs Secretary Albert Del Rosario.
This is the note of Brady. In the July meeting, Hillary Clinton did not speak up for us. Secretary Del Rosario is committing treason. This is a senator of the Republic calling our secretary a treasonous person. In a foreign land, he does not even know when treason arises. Senator was saying, meaning Senator Trillanes, was saying that Del Rosario should be replaced by Mar Rojas. You see, it's enough that I read these notes of Ambassador Brady to unmask this Phantom of the Opera in Philippine politics.
Isinumbat pa ni Enrile na siya ang tumayong kustodya ni Trillanes nang bigyan ito ng provisional liberty ng korte noong December 2010 matapos makulong dahil sa Oakwood Mutiny.
We have no choice. Kanino kami pupunta?
Isa rin si Trillanes sa mga nanguna sa tinaguriang Manila Pen Siege.
You know, Mr. Senator, I was the one who took you out of the rut where you were imprisoned in Camp Crame. I never did this before. I went out of my way to talk to people so that you can get back here in the Senate, and I guaranteed your presence here. But I'm not saying this because
Precisely
I want you to
yes, Mr.
owe
President.
any favor to me. I'm just putting that on record to show the character of each one of us here.
Sa panayam matapos siyang mag-walk out, itinanggi ni Trillanes ang paratang ni Enrile na kampi siya sa China. Sabay giit na palasyo ang gumasto sa biyahe niya sa Beijing.
Wala po tayong ibinenta, contrary dun sa kiniklaim ni yung interpretation, for that matter, ni Senator Enrile. Wala akong binenta, andyan yung Scarborough eh. Wala naman, si Presidente lahat ng nag-decide nung mga messages na pinaparelease sa akin.
Nililihis lang umano ni Enrile ang issue para mapagtakpan ang umano'y koneksyon niya kay dating Pangulong Arroyo.
Ni-report sa dyaryo, lumabas doon, he didn't deny it, kanina he didn't even touch on it. Talagang Senate President mo ay nadidiktahan, nape-pressure. Yun ang sinasabi namin, nape-pressure siya. Nape-pressure ni GMA. So sabi ko, wala kang kwenta, Senate President. You deserve to lead. You deserve to be replaced.
Hindi rin daw totoo ang paratang na masama ang loob niya dahil hindi pinagbigyan ni Enrile ang hiling na dagdag na budget para sa kanyang oversight committee. Sa panayam naman sa 24 oras kanina, sinabi ni Enrile na hindi raw malayong si Trillanes ang nasa likod ng planong alisin siya bilang Senate President.
Seriously, Senator, nandoon nga yung mga bali-balita na merong nagaganap dyan na kung ano man to oust you in the
Okay
position.
lang yun, Bel. Matagal ko nang inaantay yan eh.
Pero tansya nyo, meron nga hubang ganong mga galaw sa loob ng Senado, Senator?
Ang balita ko, siya lang naman ang nagsasalita ng ganyan at meron daw siyang salo-salo sa mga reporter at hapunan at sinasabi niya na tatanggalin namin si Enrile. Sabi ko, okay lang yun. Huwag na kayong magsasikreto pa. Sabi lang ninyo sa akin, ayaw na namin sa'yo. Nandito ang numero namin.
I want him to be replaced. Ano? So, ang dami hong capable dyan.
Sino?
Capable. From the Liberal Party or even the Nationalista Party. So, maraming pwedeng pumalit.
Nilinaw na rin ni Trillanes ang bali-balitang sinigawan umano niya si Ambassador Sonia Brady.
Totoo ba yung sinigawan daw ninyo si Ambassador Brady? Kaya daw na heart attack yung ambassador, Senator?
Kanina binabasa nila yung notes na nagkwekwentuhan daw kami. Tapos, in fact, dun sa embassy sa Beijing, nagpa-lunch po si Ambassador Brady sa amin. May mga testigo po ako dyan. So, yung mga ganyang it's very sad. Actually, andyan pa naman si Ambassador Brady. Pwede niyang tanungin, ano? We had a very informative meeting at kung totoo yun sinasabi, wala naman sinasabi doon na sinigawan ako ni... Wala akong ganun eh.
Ako si Jam Sasante, ang inyong saksi.